Oh, my hair. Okay, elimination time if I'm correct, right? I mean, that's why we're here. Okay, oh, you're safe. Horton, you're out. Wait, what? No! Voice in my head, can you get it out? How do you want us to do that? I don't know, just shake it out. Whatever. Come here. Oh. What are you doing in there? What? I was trying to make him blow up. We all hate him. What? You know what? I was actually really close. Hoopa, hooya, hooch. Oh, I have wasted my life. Run! Oh, where are they? What on earth? What do we do? We sacrifice! I have an idea! Everyone into the jar, now. We'll die if we don't. Fuck. Well, here goes. Oh. What the? What are you guys doing here? Here, come with us. And here we are. Hey everyone, look who's here. Oh, mighty eagle and other ones. Hey. Well, there was an explosion and we had to come down here, but actually, to be honest, I have a challenge idea. Oh, what to do now? I cannot do this show without Mewtwo. I need you guys to get him back. You can use any of the eliminated contestants. Wait, that... What are you here? Go, go, go. Alrighty, does everyone have their helpers? More like people who forced us to do this show. Okay, I'll shut up. Dude, okay, just go. My god, this place is a mess. Look at this. Oh no, I'm actually not dead. I can't feel pain. Well, anyway, what's the challenge? Oh, actually, I did find something that could be interesting. Come with me. I remember where we kept all the stuff. There was this weird blue wormhole. Come on, let's go. What? Oh no, I got left behind. Now how are we going to win for you? Shut up! Ow, ow, ow! Okay, I'll stop. Where are we? What the? Calm down, calm down. Yeah, we're just looking for Mewtwo. Oh, you mean our new recruit? He's over there controlling the ship. Hey, we found him. What am I doing? You know, it's been a while. Let me catch you up. Ever since the show got canceled, I felt... Wait, really? Oh, this is awkward. Sorry, guys, but I gotta go. Bye! No! He's gone! Oh, we were almost done with our plan. He can finish what he started. You're right. Mewtwo, you're back! I missed you so much. Missed you too. Hey, what did I miss? People dying. Oh. Oh. Well, who's still left in the show anyway? These 5? And everyone else? We were just eliminating contestants helping out in the challenge. Okay, well, anyway, Bonnie, since you and Sabo helped me realize the show wasn't canceled, you're safe. And let's have the eliminated contestants vote on the losers, because, surprise, I'm doing a rejoin. Yeah, the people that helped out today in this challenge have a chance of getting back into the game. Isn't that fun? Yeah? I haven't done this in months. Cut to the voting screen. Remember, vote for one of these people. Episode 12 will come out June 19th. Bye.